In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete text boxes here in Canva. So I have this design just here, and there's a lot of text boxes, as we can see. Now, if I wanted to delete one of these, or a couple, we can either click onto the text box, or we can highlight multiple at the same time by clicking, dragging, and highlighting just like that. Now to delete this, we can use the delete key on the keyboard just like that, and it's going to delete, or we can as well highlight and then just click the little delete icon just here, and that's going to be deleted. Now if you can't delete the text box, that means it's locked. So if we click on here and lock that, we're going to either see this button just here, which means we can't move it or we can't delete it. And if we do that again, if you see the padlock, we still can't delete this at all. So what we want to make sure is that none of that is enabled. So if we hover off, then click back on, if we see that it's locked, we simply click to unlock, and then we can delete, just like that. So as you can see, it's actually pretty easy to delete text boxes here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.